Welcome back to CAD/CAM tutorial. Today we are going to make a simple paperclip in Autodesk Fusion 360 and we will learn how to use sketch feature commands and swift feature commands. We will see how to use line, circle and sketch fillet features, and with the help of swift feature we will create this simple paperclip. I hope you like it. So let's start to create this one. Here now we are going to create a paper clip and we will see how to use sketch commands and swift feature. So here we will learn some sketch feature and swift feature. So let's start to create with sketch fillet, a sketch plane, and we will choose top plane. Now here we will make our geometry for paper clip. So either we will press L key on keyboard or directly select from here. I will start from this point, go vertical, drop down, up to here and here, right click, OK. Now this is our geometry. Let's define this geometry. So either we can choose sketch dimension or press D keywords in. Now this length 20, enter. Enter. Now let's start with inside. 5.5 millimeter, enter. 6.5 millimeter, enter. Now the bigger one, 7.5 millimeter, enter. That's it. Now this length 22 millimeter, enter. So now here we defined escape. Now here we defined all the things. Let's see sketch fillet. I'll select these two edges. Now here 7.5 by 2 millimeter, enter, so that we will get a smooth curve. Sketch fillet, these two ends 5.5 by 2 millimeter. That's it. The last fillet 6.5 by 2 millimeter, enter. See, this curve looks like smooth. Now you can just drag your keywords and everything. Stop sketch. Now here we want to create a circular structure, a circular feature, circle. Now I'll choose this plane. Now let me draw here a circle, 1 millimeter, enter. Now just click here, view cube, isometric view, OK. Stop sketch. Now this is the geometry, path and circle, both we created. Go to drop down the create feature, swift feature. Now here we will choose single path because we are using single path. Profile, let me choose this circle as profile, and here path, we will select this path. You will see how a path going to create here. OK, that's it. So this is how we created a simple paper clip with the help of swift command. I hope you like it. Don't forget to share and like our video, and please subscribe our channel for more video and more projects in Solidworks, Autodesk Inventor and Fusion. If you want to save this one, the same rule. If you see the data panel, project 1, we saved Fusion model 360. Now here we saved our previous models, so also you can save here. Click save, paper clip, save. Once you click save, it will take few seconds because this is online. So now see, it's going to save here. Okay, so this is the model what we created, a paper clip, and we learned how to use sketch features and swift feature. Thanks for watching.